another Friday video, and today we're pulling the gas tank out of this 67 Firebird. It's pretty damn easy. I'm gonna give you some simple steps, one by one, and you'll get this gas tank out lickety split. So with that, grab yourself a cold one, and let's enjoy pulling a gas tank out of a classic Firebird. Oh, and yes, you can get yourself one of these cool little koozies with the Arrowhead Garage logo on it. There's a link down below to get yourself one. So with that, I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna drink today. I'm not gonna be rinsing too much. All right, first things first, open up your gas door here and take off this gas cap. And these sons of bitches are $30 a piece. So I'm gonna clean this one up later and maybe see about getting a replacement gasket or something down there. And so there's 4 nuts right here. We're gonna go ahead and take them off, and that'll be step number 1. You know what? There's gonna be a lot of screwing around in this episode. I'm gonna get my drill. All right, let's make short work of this. There's 1. And there's 4. Okay, we're gonna go inside now. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you're missing the key here and the lock, get yourself a big old long ass screwdriver and just stick it in there and find the slot. You can find the slot, especially if you're a boy. You know how to find slots, and just turn it, and up she comes. Looky there, looky there. Let's go back in here and let's see what's next on our list. All right, so now in here in the trunk, this here cover covers up this next plate. Just a Phillips screwdriver, put her in there, and just take her out. You know what? I'm getting just too damn old to do. Oh my goodness, I am. I'm just getting too damn old. Let me get the power tool here, and let's. Oh, that was so much easier. So much easier. And off this comes now. Put this off to the side. Oh, looks like a black widow web right there. What? Oh, look. Oh my god. Oh boy. Oh boy. For any of you guys that watched the video on when Jonathan from Vinyl Village Garage came to help me with this vinyl roof top replacement, there's look, remnants of John. Them damn self-tapping screws, they're everywhere here. Look at this. They're even, oh my goodness. Can I even get the damn camera in here? Look, there's one there, and there's one back here. Surprises always, oh, that John, and look, there's another, oh, he's such a jokester. Back to business now. This filler neck here, got a little bit of a rubber type boot, but there's then again some more nuts that we're gonna have to pull it off. So let me go get the special tool. Well, let's get these off. There's one. I'm gonna have to get my long one back in there to clear that. Hold on. Mama always said that, honey, size don't matter. If she loves you, she loves you. Well, no, it's not true. That's not true. Mama, you lied to me. You've been lying to me, so let's get this one out. Oh, my goodness gracious. Uh-oh. I might have to get me a swivel head. Hold on. Okay, so with a swivel head, let's see if we can do this. Let's get in here. See if we can't work our way on here. There we go. So, maybe bigger isn't always better. Sometimes you just need a little floppy one to get stuff done. All right, back to work. I'm sorry. There's one more back here. See if we can't line her up now. There we go. We got her out. All right, so now this here part, there we go. pull that up, that rubber piece there. Now that detaches it from all in there. Next, we gotta go down below. Take a moment here and have a, oh, hi there, girl. You love your daddy? Yes, you do. You love your daddy, don't you? All right, so what the son of a, that Jonathan from Vinyl Village Garage, if you don't subscribe to his channel, stop what you're doing and watch mine later, or go check out John's Firebird Restoration. But you gotta see what I gotta see. This has been an ongoing thing. Every time I work on this bird, since he flew out here to Arizona to help me with it, I'm finding stuff. He left me little surprises throughout the way. Let me show you what this boy did. Let me show you. Come here, come here, come here. Do you see this? This is the kind of stuff that guy does. He see, I drink this kind of stuff, and you can remember, you can buy yourself one of them koozies. He drinks this kind of stuff here. This what and he left these everywhere. I keep finding these things every. It's like, oh, damn it, get out of here. Calm down, just relax. Whew. Let me have a beer, and then we're gonna get into here and fix that. So, oh my, that is a nice looking logo on this camouflage. Can you even see the drink? Is it like camoed? You probably can't even see me drinking. That's probably a good thing. Officer, what you talking about? I got no beer in my hand. Now, right there, that gray thing right here, that's your gas tank. And there's, right there, that tube coming down, there's a hose clamp right there. We're gonna have to undo that one. And is there one back up in there? Nope. So it's just gonna be that one right there. Yep, let's get this out of here real quick here. Oh, I think we got it loose. Now that that's loose, let's make our way down a little bit more below. All right, now we're under here the car, and you can see that there's the passenger wheel right over there. And right up here, as you can see, we got our fuel lines. Now, my 67 Firebird 400, it's got two lines, one to turn the fuel up to the engine and one to bring it back. But at some point in time, as you can tell, somebody decided to cut that off and just snip it and not deal with it. So we only got one hose clamp. That's this one right here that we got to deal with. So we'll get that off. And normally, you know, there's a ground wire over on this side, but I don't see it. I just don't see it anywhere. And I know there's going to be a couple wires running to this sending unit. So I think for right now, let's just get in there and we'll get that taken care of, that off, and we'll move on to our next step. All right, so just one little tab here. Or actually, it's right over here. This is that return line. This is the sending line. We'll get in here. Can I just do it this way? Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, people. Simplicity right there, right there. Yep. Get that hose clamp undone. I want to thank my brother-in-law for giving me this here snap-on screwdriver for Christmas a few Christmases ago. Son of a bitch. It happens, folks, it happens. So let's get this up here and we'll take this here low hose off. The persuasion. There we go. That there should get her to move a little bit better. There we go. Hot diggity damn dog. All right. So now all that's left is two bolts. There's one on this side over here and then one over there. And if you're smart, a day or two before you start this project, you'll get yourself some pussy blaster here and you'll squirt these things down to make them a little bit better. So I'm going to squirt them down one more time just to make sure here. All right, let's see if we can't pull this boat off here. Oh, shit. I'm going to need something bigger and deeper. Oh, boy. Mama didn't raise no punk here. There we go. bet I can do better than that. Let's see here. Oh, did I better do it? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's see. Maybe. Oh, yep. There she is. That's one off. There we go. Get a few turns on it. All right. There's one strap. There's two straps. And we got a tank coming out. This here's the underside of my gas tank. And as you can see, it's pretty damn solid. Not bad for an Oklahoma car, huh? Well, an Arizona car that lived in Arizona for about 10 years and then went to Oklahoma for the rest of its life. But we'll deal with the fuel hose up there, and we're gonna work on this a little bit later on. But for this video, I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was to pull that gas tank out of your first gen Firebird or even first gen Camaro. That's pretty damn easy right there. So with that, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up and, oh, wait, let's go look at that tank real quick. Well, this explains why maybe the gas gauge wasn't working, and I don't see ground wire either. So looks like we might have some work to do on this here sending unit. But for the most part, it looks pretty nice. I think it should clean up just fine, but it's hard to tell if this is an original tank or not. You guys have any indication on how I can tell if this is an original tank or one of them aftermarket tanks that maybe my brother put in sometime in the 90s? But comment down below what you think on this tank, if it's an original tank or not. All right, well, we got this gas tank out of the car tonight, and we can kind of see we got some wiring problems we're gonna have to deal with. This tells me this tank's been out at least once before in its life. I have to get in there and check on that there. Got a bolt up here for the return line. I'm gonna have to deal with that eventually. But I want you to comment down below if you think this is an original tank. Does it look like an original tank, or is it a reproduction aftermarket that maybe my brother put in sometime back in the late 80s and the early 90s? So I'm gonna clean it up and see what we got here. And while this gas tank is out, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that rear end out and get all that taken care of, and maybe paint the underside of this, because it's an Arizona car now. It ain't gonna see no snow, ain't gonna see a bunch of rain. It's gonna live a pampered life until that down. So I think I'm just gonna paint it, make it look kind of nice down there, and get it all situated and pull that rear end out and do some stuff. But for tonight, this video is gonna be on all about how to take out fuel tank out of a first generation Firebird or Camaro DMF bodies. So I hope you learned something tonight. If you did, I hope you would hit that subscribe button right down here. Give me a like and direct a comment. Tell me what you think. If not, then you know what? Just tell me what you're drinking tonight or what you've been doing, so I know what you're up to. And if you're working on a Firebird, I'd love to hear about that too. I got some ideas coming up. So with that, folks, I'm going to say goodnight to another Firebird Friday video, and I'm going to see you next Friday as we tear into this '67 Firebird 400.